Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, if you were asked which antipsychotic has highest risk of seizure precipitation, has highest risk of precipitating seizures. Antipsychotic with highest risk of precipitating seizures is clozapine is an antipsychotic with highest risk of precipitating seizures. Then so what are the other side effects of clozapine? Clozapine will cause seizures, as already said. Other side effects like sedation, constipation can occur, hypotension or hypersalivation can occur, and side effects like tachycardia, weight gain, increased appetite. Then there will be side effects like nausea, vomiting, agranulocytosis will be seen. Side effects like agranulocytosis like neutropenia is also seen in clozapine. Then enuresis and polyuria are also the side effects of clozapine. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.